the first wide body project for the Cadillac Escalade, the Esthete body kit by Larte Design. Today we are comparing three Cadillac Escalades. The stock version, the premium Esthete body kit, which is made of 100% carbon fiber, and the Esthete body kit that is painted. With the Esthete body kit, your Cadillac Escalade will look visually more expensive than the V version. Cadillac Escalade, the iconic American SUV with its impressive dimensions, its own philosophy, and its own charisma, is equipped with a 6.2 engine that's generating 416 horsepower and generating more than 610 pounds of torque. Despite its power and in the opinions of its owners, it lacks brutality. The set includes 9 handcrafted details: the hood, the grille, the front lip with fog lights, arch extensions, the wheels, the spoiler, the trunk lid overlay with a custom button of Larte logo, a diffuser with custom exhaust tips. There's an imposing hood with an exclusive design by Larte that 100% matches the American style of Cadillac that gives it a visually more powerful look. Look at the boring design of the stock version. No volume or character. And here we have a hood painted in the color of the car's body. The Escalade's getting its muscles. And here's a premium version. The hood made of 100% carbon. The detail replaces the standard and the gaps are perfect. The custom grille with massive air intakes and the Larte logo give the car exclusivity and a recognizable appearance, and then the front view camera retains its location and works as usual. In the stock version, there are no fog lights on the car, but the engineers at Larte have addressed this issue by integrating 2 LED panels into the front bumper overlay. Notice how the exterior has transformed. The car has gained sporty features, becoming significantly more aggressive. Look at these powerful teeth. And the front lip is installed in place of the standard part at the same mounting points without lowering the car's clearance. Remember, this is the first wide body kit for the Cadillac Escalade. Let's look how the wheel arch extenders change the image of the car. With them, the Escalade becomes more impressive and larger, increasing the vehicle's dimensions by ½ centimeter on each side. Let's be honest, everyone likes it a little wider. The extenders consist of 8 parts, 2 for each wheel arc. The overlays are installed using structural sealant. It's important to note that the materials from which the body kit is made and used during the installation are certified according to TÜV Germany standards, ensuring you of the reliability of the mounting, the highest quality of the parts, and their safety in use. Let's look at the diffuser on the stock version. See anything? Nothing interesting. And the tips are recessed. The Larte diffuser is designed in an American style with paired tips on the stock exhaust system. The diffuser consists of 3 parts and is installed in the standard places, while the tips are attached using special brackets on the rear bumper. On the trunk lid of our Cadillacs, there's a design element with a button in the shape of the Larte Design shield. Look at the spoiler, complex architecture with Larte's signature elements and badges. Shall we take a closer look? Also, as a stylish accessory, you can install carbon moldings on the doors and mirror bodies with Larte's original design. Luxurious forged 24-inch wheels with an exclusive design transform the car's image and make it more premium. Larte Design has created wide body kits for both the short and the extra long versions of the Escalade. As you've noticed, the body kit is available in two versions, made from composite based on basalt fiber, which can be painted in the color of the body or black gloss. And of course, the premium version of 100% carbon. Pay attention to the quality of the carbon layout. The coating can be glossy as here and matte. Each part of the Esthete body kit can be purchased and installed separately. Today, we have two completely different and cool Escalades and Larte body kits. On our Instagram account, there are many options with hoods and without, with a stock grille and different wheel options. Visit, subscribe, comment, and choose your upgrade level. The parts are securely packed in several layers of protective film and carefully placed in branded wooden boxes. Shipping is done from Germany to any country in the world. To date, on all 5 inhabited continents, there are already more than 5,000 happy owners of cars designed by Larte, and reviews of which can be seen on the company's website, larte-design.com. The company's main office is located in Germany and Dusseldorf, and a sales office in the US in California. Dealers and partners are located around the world to help purchase and install the kit. Want to feel the powerful emotions from owning an exclusive Cadillac Escalade? Just contact the company in any convenient way, and a personal sales manager will walk you from the start to finish process of installing the kit.